Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool SEAT. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this magnetic grey SEAT Ibiza FR Sport. Now of course you get full LED headlights as standard. You do also get the FR badging on the front grille as well. You then get these brilliant 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. But coming round to the rear now, as you can see, it is on a 2021 plate. Then coming into the tailgate, we have got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then moving out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. And again, as you can probably notice, compared to the front windows, you have got a slight privacy tint on the rear, just to ensure any privacy for any passengers in the rear. You've then got part leather, part suede interior with Isofix mounting point to the bottom. You've got full electric automatic windows all round as well. Then coming inside the car, we've got your DSG gearbox in the middle. We've then got your central lock-in, stop, start off, and your drive modes. Now of course, you can see on the screen here, you can choose between eco, normal, sport and individual. Whilst on this display, you can see that we have got your various radio bands just there. We've got your different various media sources. We've got Bluetooth, hands-free, voice assistant. We've got satellite navigation, full link, which is your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and then coming back to the main menu, just there. Then over on the steering wheel, we've got your track select, volume, voice assistant. On the right-hand side, we've got your onboard computer controls. We've then got your cruise control and the indicator stalk. And as you can see on the digital display, you do have the choice of 3 different views. So you have your standard, speedo, and rev counter. Then of course you have the blank screen. Then you do have the rev counter on the left hand side and the speedo on the outer right. It is all spaced out. But as you can see, this car has done 16,087 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this SEAT Ibiza, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool SEAT.